Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Touchdown Treasures, brought to you by Alpha Cards. If this is your first time tuning in, I would like to welcome you to the premier channel for elite football card pools. And also, if you are a returning viewer, I want to thank you once again for your continued support of the channel and staying true alphas to the brand. Welcome back, everybody. We got ourselves another fun rip today. We are going to be going through the rest of these blaster box packs of 2020 Panini Donruss. Also, too, we got a bonus value pack of 2019 Score trading cards. So once again, guys, if you guys do like rips like this, go ahead and shoot your boy Alpha Cards a thumbs up down below, and we're gonna go ahead and get started into these quick. So let's get a ripping. Here we go. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Let's see what we got in the treasures today, starting with Jalen Ramsey of the LA Rams. Tyrell Williams, Vegas Raiders. Randy Moss of the Minnesota Vikings. LT, New York Football Giants, Lawrence Taylor. Adam Thielen, Minnesota Vikings. Rookie card, Noah, this guy. Cannot pronounce his name, but it's this guy. Devin Bush for the Steelers. CJ Uzuma for the Bengals, and we got a kid reporter card. So that's it for that first pack. We got that one guy in there. Can't pronounce his name, but we got him. That's a fact. We got him, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Moving on to number 2 of the day, the Panini Donruss 2020. And our first card of the pack is going to be Dwayne Haskins of the Washington Football Team. Ryan Tannehill of the Tennessee Titans. Jamal Adams of the New York Jets. Deebo Samuel, San Francisco 49ers. We have a Gridiron Kings Russell Wilson insert. Very nice looking card. Rated rookie Cole Kmet. Very nice. Chicago Bears. I believe he was the first tight end drafted out of this year's draft for the Chicago Bears. So I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that guy up really quick. Don't watch a whole lot of Chicago Bears games, so I don't really know how well this guy has been doing. So if anybody has, go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if this guy's doing very well. So I know he was a pretty higher up draft pick, so hopefully he pans out. Mike Gesicki of the Miami Dolphins. And AJ Green, Cincinnati Bengals. So we did pull the Cole Kmet out of the last pack there. Very cool. I know he's a high draft pick, so hopefully that guy turns out into something. So we're moving on to the last Donruss pack of the day. Let's see what we can get out of here. Hopefully not kid reporters. I'll even take one of those those relic security tags at this point. They're gems. They're very hard to find in these newer products. So here's our first card of this pack. Gonna be Darren Waller, Las Vegas Raiders. Miles Jack, Jayville. Robbie Anderson in a Jets uniform, now on the Carolina Panthers. I don't know why they didn't Photoshop him. Oh, it says down here in the corner, agreed to terms with Panthers. I didn't even notice that on any of the other cards. So that's why they didn't update his uni. Sterling Shepard of the New York Football Giants. Willie Snead, the fourth, of the Baltimore Ravens. We got a rookie card, Ross Blacklock of the Houston Texans. Very nice. Higher end draft pick. I believe he was maybe second or third round. Coming back, we got Juju Smith-Schuster. And the Honey Badger, Tyrann Mathieu. So that's going to do it for the Donruss 2020. We did get the Ross Blacklock. Again, the Texans didn't do very well against, again, the Chiefs, though. So maybe this guy will be good, but he didn't have a first good outing against one of the Super Bowl defending champs. So that's not a good starter to gauge him on. So hopefully the guy does well. But we are going to move on to the final pack of the day. Go ahead and shoot your boy Alpha Cards a thumbs up if you guys are liking the video so far. But let's move on. Here we go to the 40 card value pack of the scores. Let's see what we got. Starting off, we got Marlon Mack, the Mac Daddy. Baker Mayfield. Demarius Thomas. Mark Andrews. Tahir Whitehead. Wesley Woodard. Von Miller. Carson Wentz. Big Ben. Landon Collins. Jordan Howard. Kiko Alonso. Chris Thompson. Todd Gurley-Mann. Mike McGleckie. I think that's how you say it. McGlinchey. Marcus Davenport. Andrew Whitworth. Devin Funchess. David Moore. We have a red parallel Maurice Hurst, defensive tackle. Derrick Henry, red parallel, running back. Very nice. Tennessee Titans. That's a nice card. Signal callers, Jameis Winston. These signal callers look very sharp. Uh-oh, we got a backwards card. Oh, nice. Oh, it's just another signal callers. These score packs are just all over the place, just breaking your boy's heart. I thought it was an exclusive Sam Darnold card. I was like, whoa, but it's not. Just a regular insert. So we got all hands team. Nick Chubb. Patty Mahomes, epics, very nice. That's a good one to have. Sweet. Juju Smith-Schuster, all throwbacks. All throwbacks, just regular throwbacks. There's not all of them. There's just one. Jameis Winston signal callers. Epics Aaron Donald. Huddle Up Baltimore Ravens. Nice photo of Lambjack on there. Draft Devin White insert. And we got a fantasy points. Andrew Luck against my Bills, absolutely rocking us that week. Week 7 of 2019 just did work on us. Thanks a lot, Andrew. Drew Brees, captains of the Saints. Celebration insert, Juju Smith-Schuster. What's he doing to James right there? He's proposing to him. And we got our rookie insert, N'Keal Harry, Arizona State. And I believe we're on to the rookies now. Let's see who we got first. It's going to be Greg Dortch of Wake Forest. Dortch. He's there, folks. Greg Dortch. James Williams, Washington State University. Running back, I believe. Patrick Lyard, University of Cal, Golden Bears. Will Greer, quarterback, West Virginia University. Emmanuel Hall, I think that's wide receiver, Mizzou. And our final card is going to be Jalen Ferguson, Louisiana Tech University. So we didn't get anything out of there, really. We did get that skunked Sam Darnold that was just backwards. Thanks a lot, Panini. But nonetheless, we did get some very nice cards out of there to add to the PC, and also to add to my binders in order to set up my complete sets. But thank you once again, everybody, for tuning in to another episode of Touchdown Treasures, brought to you by Alpha Cards. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that big thumbs up button down below, or drop me a comment. Say what's up to your boy Alpha Cards. I do respond to every comment. If you guys just want to say hi, how's your day, how's everybody doing, and yeah, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button also down below. It'll give you first notifications on when we do get new content available. So thank you guys once again for tuning in. This is your boy Alpha Cards saying have a great afternoon, take care, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.